Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty potato stir fry. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 small chopped onion, half teaspoon chili flakes, mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add 2 cups of potato cut into small pieces like this. Also add 1 center slit green chilli, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes we can open the lid, add half teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Cook for 6 minutes on medium flame. Stir every 30 seconds in between. After 6 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty potato stir fry recipe is ready. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.